Good morning. Somebody sent me this question late last night. Probably they were trying to finish their homework, and I know we're moving on to chapter 10, but I want to make sure everyone does get this. I've gone in and opened StatCrunch. I have 4 independently and randomly selected bags of potatoes, and I'm going to go ahead and put their weights in. And it says, using a two-sided alternative hypothesis, should you be able to reject the hypothesis that the population mean is 20 pounds? So my H naught is mu equals 20. My H1 or HA is mu doesn't equal 20. My alpha is 0.05. And there is a confidence interval that we're 95% confident the mean is between 20.7 and 21.4. So first we're going to test the using a two-sided. So given this confidence interval, my 20 pounds is not in there. So it looks like I cannot determine that the population mean is 20. And so I'm going to reject the hypothesis because it doesn't contain the proposed mean. Then we're going to do the hypothesis test. So here's the one we just stated. The mean is equal to 20 or not equal to 20. That's two-sided. And the test statistic. To find the test statistic, I'm going to come over here to the StatCrunch and go to Stat, T-Stats, one sample. Again, T-Stats is when I'm testing the mean. Proportion stats is when I'm testing the proportion. Those are the only two that we use in this class. So one sample, and then I have data. My data is in var 1. I need to go in here and say my hypothesis test is I'm testing the mean is 20, and then this sign does not need to change, and then I hit compute. And my test statistic is 10.966892. Rounded to 2 decimal places will be 10.97. That is huge. That is so far from 0. And the p-value, let me pull that over, is 0.0016, so rounded to 3 places would be 0.002, very small. So the p is low, so the null must go. So I would reject the null hypothesis. And if I reject the null hypothesis, I'm rejecting that mu is 20. It looks like we're saying the mean is different than 20, so we can reject a population mean of 20 pounds. Hope that helps, and hope that helps you with chapter 10. Have a great week.